Well, hi, my name is Suzanne, and I get to work for the Cobb County Public Library System. And today we're in the empty program room at my home branch, the West Cobb Regional Library, so I don't have to wear a mask. And I did want to let you know that we really appreciate it that you wear masks when you come to the library for the safety of all of our patrons, our staff, and our families. So thank you. So today you have clicked into School Age Imagination Kits, and this is what your kit will look like. And I chose this project to help celebrate Hispanic Heritage Month. And in case you don't know, that begins every year September the 15th, and it goes to October the 15th. So what we're going to do you want to know what we're going to do? You get to make this. Isn't it beautiful? Let me show you. Now, your kit is wrapped in this Chanel stick. Don't throw that away because you're going to need that. So here's what it looks like when you open up your imagination kit. You'll have 4 pieces of red tissue paper and 1/2 sheet of another color. In this kit, I have yellow. What we need to do is first make this long rectangle into a square. You have a rectangle, you need to make it into a square. So take one end and bring it down so it matches. You're gonna make a triangle. And there it is. See how it looks? Now, if we cut this part off here, this triangle will become a square. So this is the one thing that we did not put in your kit is a pair of scissors. You open this back up. And this is where your inside that's going to be the inside of your flower. So put it in the center, and we are going to start with an accordion fold. First you fold it one way, and then you flip it over and make a fold the same size. And flip it over. So here it is. Open it up gently, and you want to take the inside paper out. Now we're going to add some fringe to this. Take it out, fold it in half, and make about 1.5 inches deep cuts. About 1/4 inch wide. That's about like the width of your finger. Okay. We're going to open that back up and put it back with the red. And there you go. And we're going to fold the whole thing in half. Now we're going to cut the scallops on the end. You can cut them in triangles. You could cut them with spikes like that. I'm going to make a round scallop edge for my flower. There it is. Open it back up. And you want to find the pipe cleaner is what we used to call them, but they're Chanel sticks now. The yellow is going to be the top. So you want to twist this on the bottom. Now you don't want to gather up your tissue paper. But twist that on there so it's secure. Start fluffing it. Looks pretty already. So you want to be gentle to this inside with the fringe. And I pull it up from the bottom rather than grabbing the tops of the fringe. There's some rib, that's okay. It's going to be perfect however you make it. Oh, that looks pretty already. Pull up one at a time. There's half of my flower. These are so pretty. And then start fluffing. And that's how you make one of the flowers. And if you'd like to find out more about Hispanic Heritage Month, we have lots of books that you can check out. I'll show you a few that I recommend. So until next time, be creative, have fun, and try something different. See ya.